You never know where a spall is until you start chain dragging. Been around a long time, used by many engineers and architects to find bad concrete. As you can hear, this very hollow sounding over here. This is a bad concrete spall. Hi, Peter Dechert, Site Superintendent for TG Basile. Today we're in East Rutherford, New Jersey at a 4-level parking garage for a customer who requested us to come in to do some concrete repair work. The first step we would do is chain drag to find all the bad concrete areas, mark it out, saw cut it, and do full depth demo down to the metal deck. Once that's all removed, we would replace brand new vented metal decking, add rebar, wire mesh, and then pour new concrete back. We poured 5,000 square feet of concrete over the course of 3 weeks. Being that the parking garage is fully operational during the week, as for the customer's request, we would pour concrete strictly on Saturday, being that it's only one way in, one way out of the garage only. Every level there's expansion joint work. On one of the levels, we did roughly 320 linear feet of expansion joint replacement. Here at TG Basile, we are the experts. If you have a parking garage in need of work, give us a call.